Hello friends, I'm Miss Allen, and in this video we'll be exploring the activity subtracting reverses. For this activity, you're going to need a paper and pencil and a hundreds chart. In the activity subtracting reverses, we're exploring two questions. What happens if we take a two-digit number and subtract its reverse? And what if we do it again? Here's an example. I'll choose the two-digit number 74. Now, the reverse of 74 is just the digits switched. So instead of the 7 being in the tens place, the 7 will be in the ones place. And instead of the 4 being in the ones place, the 4 is in the tens place. The reverse of 74 is 47. Now, I'm going to subtract the reverse from the original number. 74 minus 47. To do this subtraction, I can use my hundreds chart to help me. I'm going to break the 47 into 40 and 7. So first, let's count back 40 by counting by tens. Start at 74, 64, 54, 44, 34. Next, I need to subtract 7 ones. 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27. So 74 minus 47 equals 27. So now that I've done it one time, let's do it again. The reverse of 27 will be 72. The 7 will switch to the tens place. The 2 will switch to the ones place. Now, I can't subtract 72 from 27 without going past 0. So we'll subtract 27 from 72. 72 minus 27. I'll use the hundreds chart to help me again. I'll break the 27 into 20 and 7. First, I'll count back 20, then I'll count back 7. Here we go. 72, 62, 52. And I'll count back 7 more. 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45. So by using my hundreds chart, I figured out that 72 minus 27 equals 45. All right, but we're still not done. Let's do it again. The reverse of 45 is 54. This time we'll do 54 minus 45. Here we go. Let's use our hundreds chart. First, I'll count back 40, then I'll count back 5. Ready? 44, 34, 24, 14. Let's count back 5 more. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So 54 minus 45 equals 9. Now, what if we do this one more time? Well, the reverse of 9 is just 9. So 9 minus 9 equals 0. Now that we've got to 0, we're all done subtracting the reverses. We started at 74, and we subtracted reverses all the way down to 0. Pretty cool, huh? In the first problem we tried, we ended up subtracting 9 from 9 to get 0. I wonder if this will happen if we do another example. Let's see what happens if we try a different number. This time, let's go with 32. Do you think you know what the reverse of 32 is? The reverse of 32 is 23. Let's subtract 23 from 32. Again, I'll use the hundreds chart to help me. 22, 12, and subtracting 3 more is 11, 10, 9. So 32 minus 23 equals 9. Now, we know from the last problem that the reverse of 9 is just 9. So 9 minus 9 equals 0. How interesting. For the last number we picked, we ended with 9 minus 9 equals 0. And for the next number we picked, the same thing happened. Could this be a coincidence or part of a pattern? On our second number, we also ended at 9 and then 0. I'm going to make the claim that if you start at any 2-digit number and repeat the subtracting reverses process, you will end at 9 and then 0. Do you agree or disagree with my claim? You're going to need your piece of paper and your hundreds chart to prove it. Before you do, I have a few tasks for you to work on as you solve. Here are some bonus questions to help you get started thinking about the patterns in your subtracting reverses. As you solve, you can follow along with these prompts if you'd like to. Which number do you think won't come to 9? What numbers do you know will go to 9 on their next step? For example, 32 minus 23 equals 9. Try coloring those numbers on your chart. Do you see a pattern? What are other numbers besides 9 that you arrive at on your first step? For example, 74 minus 47 equals 27. Try coloring those numbers on your chart. Do you see a pattern? Finally, if you get a number that doesn't come to 9, that's a big deal. Make sure you double check it to make sure you got all the subtraction right. In this video, we explored the activity subtracting reverses. If you enjoyed this activity, think about this problem next. What would happen if you did the same thing with 3-digit numbers? I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.